To fill PDF forms in the free Acrobat Reader software, first make sure you have Acrobat Reader installed. You can get it from the link in the description. You want to make sure you're using a desktop or laptop, as experiences can vary with notebook or iPad type devices. I recommend not choosing any add-ons. Follow the installation prompts, and when you've installed it, it should open automatically. Open the document with a form you'd like to fill in Acrobat. I'll demonstrate using the DanDMadeEasy print and play card template, which helps align cards for double-sided printing. You can find a link in the description. The free version of Acrobat has lots of little traps where it asks you to pay. If you click the sign in or free trial buttons, or any of the advanced tools that pop up by default, the software will ask you to create or log into an account and ultimately subscribe to Adobe products. You can fill a PDF form without an Adobe subscription. Ignore those buttons and close the Advanced Tools section. Scroll down to the form field you want to fill and fill it. Here I'm uploading an image to the print and play card template, and since I'm using the octuples file, it automatically copies my image, so I have 8 copies.